Welcome to Oracle CX Marketing Help Center videos. In this video, we'll show you how to publish audiences in CX Audience. In CX Audience, an audience is a group of customers from a customer data list that meets a variety of conditions across different types of profile, third-party, and multi-channel behavioral data. After creating an audience, you can then publish it. First, you will publish it locally within CX Audience so you can do analysis and make any updates. When you're ready to send the audience to a marketing platform for setting up a campaign, you will publish it again externally. This video will show you how to publish audiences both ways. After adding filters to an audience and designing it in the Audience Designer, you can publish it locally within CX Audience. To publish the audience, go to the Audience Designer and click Publish. After publishing the audience, click the Analyze tab to review the number of customers for each filter and the audience as a whole. After analyzing the audience, you can click the Segmentation tab to create audience segmentation by sorting your audiences into smaller, more targeted groups. If you need to update the audience, click the Design tab, make the necessary changes, and republish the audience. When you're happy with the configuration of the audience, you can then publish it externally to Oracle Responses or to another marketing platform through a secure FTP site. To publish the audience externally, go to the Manage Audiences page. Find the audience and make sure it is tagged as published. Click the Action menu and select Publish to Responses or Publish to FTP. If you choose Publish to FTP, enter a name and description for the job and click Create. The list and audience will already be selected for the job. Optionally, select a Publish template to specify which data fields to export. Publish templates allow you to select what data you want exported with the audience. Visit the Manage Publish Templates page to create and edit your templates. If you don't select a Publish template, only the RIID will be included in the exported data, which is the unique identifier CX Audience uses for each customer record. Complete the connection and file details under Destination Connectivity and Destination Specification. Optionally, you can enter emails that CX Audience can send notifications to, confirming the success or failure of the job. Finally, configure the schedule settings and then click Save and Close. If you publish to Responses, select a Responses list to publish to. Also, select a Publish template if needed. Then configure the notification and schedule settings. When done, click Export. After publishing externally, the audience is ready to use to set up your campaign. For more information on publishing audiences, you can visit our Help Center. Thanks for watching.